Hey everybody, I just want to show my two mini helicopters, compare them in their flights. One I paid $20 for and the other I paid $50 for. This first helicopter is the one I paid $20 for. This is a 2-channel helicopter, and you can see it flies pretty well. This here is 3 channels, and it's supposed to be the world's smallest. This is quite a bit more maneuverable, and it's really fun to fly. They take crashes really well. And they're really fun to play around with. Oops. Okay.